cash? What happened to your cash?
I think we used all our cash.
I thought you said you had like $15.
We're going to an ATM. All right, so we are heading down to Whittier for a cruise, a 5-hour cruise.
Ooh. Glaciers, wildlife. These are things we've been promised.
All right, so we're at the tunnel to Whittier, and we missed the 11:30, and the tunnel only goes one way. And initially we were told that it changes direction every 15 minutes, but apparently it's not going to release until 12:30, and 12:30 was, I think, when we were supposed to be there, or it could be when the boat's taking off. We're not entirely sure, so we're trying to get more information on that. Problem is, there's no data, no cell service where we're at right now, so we may entirely miss the boat. I don't know. We're super bummed out right now. I don't know what we're gonna do. We're like driving on railroad tracks. That was a very, very long tunnel. Alicia called as soon as we got through the tunnel to see what they could do if the boat was still here, and she said she was pretty sure the boat was gone. Pretty sure. Anyway, so we're at their marina right now, and Alicia's at the ticket booth trying to figure out what we can do. Oh wait, here's Alicia now.
Okay. We can't do the 5-hour tour because that boat has left. Because it left on time, as it should have. But we can do the 3.5-hour glacier tour. But we gotta go right now. So,
all right,
boom.
Let's do it. So it wasn't the glacier tour we were supposed to be on, but we managed to get on one, and we managed to park in this lot, even though we really weren't supposed to. But they okayed it under the circumstances.
No ticket.
So Phillips Cruises and Tours, really great company. They were very accommodating. There was one guy that kind of knew what vegan meant and helped us out. There's only so much they can do though. They're not really equipped with vegan food. They had a vegan chili. Just specify no cheese, because some of the people on board, I don't think they know what vegan means, and they would probably just put cheese on it. So just make sure no cheese if you get the vegetarian chili.
But they have a whole like allergen list, so you can ask for that if you want to double check and make sure everything is vegan. They also they serve like a raw vegetable broccoli slaw, and it usually has like a mayo-based dressing on it, but the guy bringing all the food happily offered to get us a bowl with no dressing on it. So we got some vegetables too.
Yeah, not super exciting, but
hey, it's food.
It was more food, so
yeah, happy about that.
Yeah. All right, so now since we're in Whittier, we're going to check out this hike, this glacier hike. It's about 2 miles.
Yeah, Portage Pass, 1
Portage
mile in,
Pass.
1 mile back.
So we're gonna go check that out.